Hi everyone, welcome back to geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the cameras on the OnePlus 8T mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic or pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect the flash connector plug. And then undo 9 screws and lift the frame using a pry tool. Now we can undo the battery connector as well. In OnePlus 8T there are 4 rear cameras and it comes as a 4-in-1 unit, but it can take out individually by little work. First, disconnect 4 connectors and take out the camera module. Next, on the camera module, apply slight force from the top and bottom to take out the macro and depth cameras. Next, peel the tape and take out the ultra-wide camera by applying little force by the top. Taking out the primary camera is slightly complicated due to the glue. However, the replacement part is coming with the camera installed in the frame. Next, peel the adhesive on the top right and take out the front camera by unplugging the connector. Next, add the required replacement camera and start placing the camera modules on the logic board. Make sure the modules are sitting securely and lock the connectors back. And also connect the battery plug and ensure they are secured. Next, add the logic board frame by inserting 9 screws and connecting the flash sensor plug. Next, place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the front and rear camera replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.